Whether you're taking up chemistry or just want to study some of the chemical formulas, one good thing you want to study is the periodic table of elements. But what do you do if there's too many things to remember? Let's say you want to remember chemical symbols and atomic numbers of the periodic table of elements. What do you do when you can't remember all those letters and abbreviations and atomic numbers and stuff like that? Well, you can use names, like a personal name. For example, when you go to periodic table of elements, you may see a capital T and a small c. And that's a chemical symbol for the element technetium, capital Technetium. So what do? How do you remember that capital T and a small c is the chemical symbol for technetium? Let's say you want to remember or more chemical symbols. Of course, among the chemical symbols, capital T and a small c. But let's say you want to remember other chemical symbols at the same time. Well, you got the capital C, you got the capital T and a small c for the technetium. You can make the name Butch. Butch is spelled capital B-U-T-C-H. If you get the name Butch and you're going to rewrite it into chemical symbols, you get capital B, capital U, capital T with a small c, and a capital H. And you look down here, capital B is for boron, capital B-O-R-O-N. Capital U is for uranium, capital U-R-A-N-I-U-M. Capital T with a small c equals technetium. Capital T-E-C-H-N-E-T-I-U-M. And capital H is for hydrogen. Capital H-Y-D-R-O-G-E-N. Hydrogen. So you the name Butch, and you got the T, capital T and small c. And you got other chemical symbols. Now, you don't have to remember the atomic numbers right away if you just want to remember the chemical symbols. Okay, like the Bu, the T, C, and the H. But if you want to advance more into memorizing atomic numbers, then boron is the atomic number of 5. Uranium has an atomic number of 92. Technetium has the atomic number of 43. And hydrogen has the atomic number of 1. The atomic number is the amount of protons of an atom. It is the positively charged particle of the atom. And how many in the quantity that you see in the atom. Capital U for uranium has 92 protons in its atom. Now, you don't have to remember the atomic number. You can cover the atomic number and just remember that capital T and the C is for technetium. As you see down here, technetium. So the name Butch is a good way to remember not only that C is technetium, but you have B for boron, H for hydrogen, and capital U for uranium. And here it is right here. I'm going to hold it here for a second so you can see for yourself. Okay, if you're beginning to memorize the chemical symbols, then you can cover the numbers, atomic numbers like this, and just remember the chemical symbols. Okay, and as you go along, you can add the numbers. Okay, and there you go. Capital T and a small c for technetium. The name Butch. Do you have a cat? Maybe the cat Patches. How about Patches, the cat? You have a cat named Patches or a horse? Patches. Hey, you got the C here. You got the capital C. You got a capital T and a small c here, and we know that's 43. Okay, we know that's 43 atomic number. Okay, and then you can look out. You can look for the PA. You can look for the H, which is hydrogen, which is 1, and actinium for Einstein. Okay? Now, how do you look for these things? I put the PA, the H, the ES. Well, you go to the periodic table. Right here is the periodic table. Right here. It's the old one, it's not a new one. You have to bear with me. They have newer version of the periodic table. You see here? There you go, right there. Let me see if I can find actinium right here. Right there, capital E and the S. Actinium is the chemical symbol. Chemical symbol for the element actinium is capital E and a small s. And what is the atomic number? Oh, it's 99. See here? 99. So, of course, now we found that 99 will go down here. 99 will go right down there. You see? And there you go. Oh, we got to get the PA, don't we? And the PA will be protactinium, which is 91. Let me see here in the periodic table. Look for 91. There's 56, 57, 72. 91 right here. Here, 91. The atomic number is 91. The chemical symbol is capital PA, and the element is protactinium. And there you go. Okay, so we found it. It's 91. So we put 91 down here. That's only if you are. Oh, I'm sorry. I mean, look what I did. See, I'm looking through my phone. See, let me take my phone away. I'm going to put it down here. 91. And there you go. You don't have to remember the atomic number. You just can remember the atomic symbol. I mean, the chemical symbol. Chemical symbol. Not the atomic number. So just get the atomic number for now, and you can cover it. You got Patches. If you have a cat named Patches, or a dog named Patches, or a horse, anything, you have it there. Or maybe your nickname is. Do you know anybody nicknamed Patches? Huh? And there you go. You got the P, the capital P and the small a for protactinium. Okay. Oh, let me see if I can write this down for you, so you can get it to in your system here. See here, protactinium. It's over here. That's 91. We look for 91. It's right here. Protactinium. PA. Protactinium. Okay, we got TC for technetium. We got H for hydrogen. We got ES, capital E, a small s for Einsteinium. Just put Einstein and put IUM. So you got Ein. My pen is messing up. Einsteinium. And then you got Patches. You got the capital T and a small c for technetium. And you have it here for Butch. You see here? Capital T, small c. You also got the H, again, for hydrogen, which is 1. Here, hydrogen, which is 1. Okay? And then you have the capital T and a small c for technetium. You should remember these things as much as you can. You don't have to remember the atomic number if you're just beginning anew. You're a novice in this. If you're still kind of green, a beginner, a newbie, okay, you can cover the atomic number and just remember the chemical symbol. And there you go. Capital T and a small c equals technetium. Here it is right here. And this is how you write the chemical symbol down. Because the chemical symbol for the element technetium, the first letter is a capital T, and the second one is a small case C. That's how it's written in the chemical and the periodic table of elements. The first letter is a capital T, a capital letter, and the second letter is a small case letter. Okay. Now, if it only has one letter, like B for boron, U for uranium, and H for hydrogen, then it gets a capital letter. Okay? That's how it is in the periodic table of elements. Okay, and you got patches. Okay? Pa for protactinium, technetium, hydrogen, and Einsteinium. Let me see if I can do this for you. Cover the IUM, and you have Einstein. Just add IUM, Einsteinium, and you got it, Einsteinium. All right? And that's capital E and a small s as a chemical symbol. See here? Capital E and a small s, because it has two letters for the chemical symbol. Okay? All right. There you go. To make it easier for, if you're studying let me tell you, I'll be honest with you. I talk to people who have not been studying chemistry, who just want to know the periodic table of elements. They just want to have knowledge. Be able to talk to people who do know these things. Be able to take a test, a quiz. Maybe they want to go on TikTok, and when they see a quiz, and they know the answer to the question because they're asking about chemical symbols. I myself have passed many quizzes on TikTok on the chemical symbols because I studied it. You don't have to be a chemist or take up chemistry in order to learn and memorize the periodic table of elements, okay, or the periodic table of elements, chemical symbols. All right, just to let you know. So capital T and the small c is for technetium. Capital Technetium. And there you have it, okay? All right. Good luck. Over and out. Bye-bye.